how to deploy Azure function app to Azure. So this is the steps. You will need Azure subscription. Once you have a subscription, you will go to Azure portal. You will click on the Azure function app, and you will see a list of existing Azure function, and you can also create a new Azure function app as well. So here you will find out your suitable hosting plan. So I will use serverless. So I will go with consumption. You can also select other hosting plan as well according to your workload. So I will focus on the serverless. So consumption base is a true serverless, so I will go with consumption base. So here is the detail. You can read out. You will click on the next. And, you will need your resource group. Once you have resource group, then you will select. I created this resource group already, and you will give a name to the function. Then you will select the operating system, runtime. I'm using .NET, so I will select the .NET. You can also go with Node.js as well. So after that, once you create it, you will go to the storage section, and this you will keep this as a default. Then networking, keep this as a default. Monitoring, and lastly, you will create and deploy. So this is the steps of creating Azure Function app from the portal sites. Similarly, you can also create Azure Function and deploy it by using VS Code and Visual Studio. So I am using Visual Studio. So this is the simple Azure app. You can see here. This is there is one function called function one. This is my one function app, and here I am defining. You can see here there is one Azure function. There is one Azure function that will check the health of the function. So you can see here it have each function has their like trigger, their own trigger. So this is the HTTP trigger base. HTTP trigger base function. So it's HTTP trigger, and it's have authorization level of anonymous, and it's a get. And here is the root, which is health 3. And once you define, simply I'm returning health status with a timestamp. So once you create your function, then you will how you will publish. You will click on the right click. You will publish, and you will select the Azure. Then you will click next. Then you will click Azure app. Then you will select the resource group. Then your Azure function. Then you will click finish and deploy. So it will deploy the function to the Azure app. So I hope you will find. If you want more about microservices, serverless, what is the benefit of serverless? And for example, it's auto scale pay as you go, faster development, and it's reliable and secure because it's already it's handled by the is a cloud provider. So if you want more about microservices and serverless, please subscribe to this channel and check the serverless and microservices in C# course. Thanks.